Hey guys, Mr. T here, just doing a quick review of a pickup that I just had. That's Leo. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, metallic gold and sail. I think these were a promotion for the Olympics. You got the nice box here. That's the traditional Jordan 1 Nike box, but it's in gold. Now, forewarning, this should normally be wrapped all nicely, but when I checked it out in the shop, the quality control is absolute garbage. So I went through 3 pairs and I had to actually mix and match the right shoe to get one that was good. But here you go. So metallic gold. From certain angles it looks more bronze, but this is the traditional bread color blocking, but it's in metallic gold, obviously. The gold section is it's not very nice quality. It's not soft at all, but I like the finish. And the black section is your typical Jordan garbage leather. Almost feels like cardboard. There's no give to it whatsoever, but from afar it looks pretty good. The cool part of it is the gum outsole, which is not normal. I reckon they think that's close enough to gold to fit with it, but the look of the gum is nice. So that's the right shoe, left shoe. One other cool thing is it comes with the Jordan hang tag, but it's actually, Leo again, it's actually metal. So if you were trying to, I don't know, being a try-hard and try to be cool, you could wear this around your neck or something. No idea what you wouldn't want to wear this on the shoe itself because it's going to scratch up the leather. But yeah, that's metal. Normally it's a plastic of some sort, or a plastic with gold coloring, but this is actually metal. Would probably scratch off though. So here's the left shoe. So just to show you or give you an idea why I had to go through multiple pairs, you can see here there's a little roughness in the leather here. But some of the pairs that I went through was literally really thick roughness on this side. It looked really bad. And then the other one that I ignored was, it had a massive dent in the gold part, so it was super noticeable. So that was 3 pairs I had to go through before I found a left shoe that was nice. And then the right shoe I had to swap out from another box. So just showing you the latest pick. I will put the protectant on here. Hopefully you guys like that one, and see you in the next video.